as a child, when we were in the bush picking or doing stuff, my grandma used to pick medicines too, like Seneca root. I remember that was a big one, and other roots and plants. Like we had our own pharmacy, like yarrow, uh, goldenrod, uh, mint, wild mint, different the tea berries, all kinds of things we used to pick. My grandma used to pick, and sometimes like there was some things that we weren't supposed to eat, so we were shown those. I just learned it by watching, I guess, or by my grandma saying, "Well, go and get this or go and get that," and then when anybody was sick, or comfrey or burdock or all of those, she like my grandfather also had a gift of stopping bleeding and blood, and I thought like it was I didn't know, like whenever anybody got hurt in the bush or anywhere, like and there was blood, like they'd call my grandpa, and I thought, my grandma must be pretty special. I didn't know what he did, but he always had this little pouch like bag on his belt, and then one time I saw like taking those camphor leaves and wrapping the wound and stopping the bleeding that way. But he always had the medicine that he needed, like, or he could get it in the bush or go get it. Like he would pick it up on the way wherever he was going. Like there's so much of it around, or the plantain leaves, or there's so many right around. I mean, and even with 4-H, like I learned like to identify the ones that grew in the garden that were edible. But the medicine ones, it was mostly like my grandmother picking them.